Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn about adaptation in animals. We're going to learn about adaptation shown by invertebrates. Before learning about invertebrates, let us understand what are invertebrates. Invertebrates are animals with absence of spinal cord, vertebral column, or backbone. They don't have a backbone. And vertebrates means presence of spinal cord, vertebral column, and backbone. This doesn't have presence of backbone. This has presence of backbone. Example will be human being, and for here will be snail. Simple example, earthworm, ant, invertebrates, butterfly. Right? So let us learn about adaptations shown by invertebrates. Okay. So why do the invertebrates show adaptation? To survive or to blend to the environment or to adjust with the environment. Example will be invertebrate insects, snails, slugs, and spiders. So how do they adapt now to the situation? Okay, now first is body covering. Insects have a well developed features that help them to survive. Insects do not have bones, but instead they have a hard outer covering known as exoskeleton, which provide them protections. Okay, now we have the skin. All right, they don't have the skeleton inside, so they have a hard covering. Okay, taking the cockroach and even caterpillars. Even grasshopper. You can whenever you get it, you just feel it. You can feel the hard outer covering known as exoskeleton, and this provides them protection. Now, snails have a hard covering called cell, which protects their soft body, because snail is very delicate. They have this to escape from enemies and to protect themselves. Okay, they have a cell to protect themselves. So this is how body covering helps the invertebrates to survive. Next is breathing organ. Now the invertebrates like snails, cockroaches and all, they do not have lungs like us. They do not have nose. Alright, so oxygen and carbon dioxide gases are exchanged through a tube called tracheae. Alright, so exchange of gas is changed into tracheae. Instead of nostrils, they breathe through an opening called spiracles. You know where spiracles, take an example, this is a cockroach. When you have the opposite side, okay, when try to flip it up, all right, you have this, you can see this yellow portion also over there, you have spiracles. So they breathe through these spiracles, not through the nostrils. So this is a breathing organ that they have adapted to survive to the environment. Next is organs for movement. We have legs. Monkeys have also legs. We have limbs to move here and there, most of the animals. But they are the delicate ones. And for them, the organs for movement is one of the most delicate thing. So what they have adapted themselves to. So insects have 6 legs to walk and crawl. Most insects have wings to fly and they are very lightweight. You must have seen insects. They are not heavy like us. Now this one is very interesting. Water boatman. You can see the butterfly because it's an insect has 3 pairs over here, 3 pairs. Alright, to fly, 3 pairs of legs. Water boatman. Okay, this is insect you get in river. Alright, in plains. Water insect like water boatman use the legs as oars to swim. Oars means, oars means if this is the boat, let's see, a boat is there, and this man is, this one is oar. Okay. Snail glides with the help of thick muscular organ called foot. So this is the foot. And you must have seen earthworm. And earthworm have setae. Not setae, it's setae. S-E-T-A-E. It helps to crawl and move. Now setae over here. The whole body, in the whole body, you have setae over here. That helps this earthworm to move. So children, these are the different adaptations shown by the invertebrates to survive.